Welcome back everyone. In this video, we are going to detect any new user account has been created or not. Let's say your SOC receive an alert from the SIM about any suspicious login attempted on a critical Linux server. Sometimes attackers actually who gain the administrative access often create a new user account to maintain a persistence. So this is especially these accounts that actually blend in the legitimate one like admin, system admin. So no one can easily identify is this a legitimate or non-legitimate. So as a security investigator, what your goal is? Your goal is to identify any recently added new accounts. Then we have to flag those accounts that should not exist. So we are going to run some queries on the Linux machine to find out any new user has been created or not. So let's jump onto the Linux machine and we will run the query. So first of all, let's go into the interactive shell by running the command osquery. Then we are going to run the query select username. Then we have user ID, GID, description, if any description, then directory, and then shell. Okay, from user database where my UID is greater than or equal to 1000. This is I am going to display in the order by UID description. Perfect. So we can see that the username nobody hackslab, which has a UID number, is greater than 1000. So these are the newly users has been created. Now what to look for? Any unknown username that are not supposed to be in the approval list. We can even find out any duplicate name. Even we can search for suspicious cells like bin bash, like you can see in the hash lab it is having the bin bash, this account that should not have the login access. Okay, any odd home directories like temp and then user. So these are, it's a suspicious users, we can find it out like this way. Okay, why it is so important? Because these new accounts are persistent method. Even if you change the password for existing account, the attacker can log in using the new backdoor account. So account with bin bash shells and sudo privileges are high risk. Okay, now if you want to check if the suspicious account is currently logged in, what we can do is we can again go with the select star from logged in user where user is equal to and is the username, suspected username, let's say hackslab. Okay, enter. So yeah, this is currently logged in. Hackslab user is currently logged in from this machine, and the time is in the Unix format, and its PID process ID number is 8001. If you want to kill this particular process, we even can kill it. If we found suspicious that this user should not get logged in into, we can kill the process associated with this username. Okay, even we can check if this user account has a sudo right or not. So we can modify, same query, but instead of logged in user we can type in sudo. This user is not a sudo user, because of that the output is not displaying. Otherwise, if the suspected user has a sudo right, even we can find out from this. So yeah, this is, how you are going to detect any new users accounts has been created, currently that user is logged in or not, if that account has a sudo rights or not. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next.